like irrational numbers. Those irrational numbers are called like irrational whose irrational parts are same. Here you can see 2 root 3 and 4 upon 3 root 3. So in the first irrational number 2 is rational, root 3 is irrational. So irrational part is root 3. Okay, and in the second irrational number 4 upon 3 is rational and root 3 is irrational part. Now you compare the irrational part of these two. So here you see root 3 and root 3. So here irrational parts are same. So wherever irrational parts are same, such irrational numbers are known as like irrational number. This is important to know because we can add and subtract only like irrational numbers. You can see, for example, here 2 root 3 plus 4 upon 3 root 3. So we want to add it. So here the irrational part is taken common, and then from here 2 is left, from here 4 upon 3. So when you take LCM, it is coming 3, then 3 2 ja 6, and then here when you divide 3 by 3 1, so 1 4 ja 4. So we are getting, that is 6 plus 4 10, and then 10 upon 3 root 3. So in this way we can add the like irrational number. Now how we subtract? You can see from here 2 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3. Again we take out the root 3 common, and then here we take LCM. When LCM is coming 3, then 3 2 ja 6 minus, now you divide the 3 by 3, you are getting 1. So 1 4 ja 4. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 upon 3 root 3. So in this way we can subtract only like irrational number. Now you take two irrational number root 3 and root 5. They are unlike. The reason is here its irrational part is root 3 and its irrational part is root 5, which are not same. So we cannot add them. Sometime we may like to add root 3 plus root 5 is equal to root 8. That is wrong. We cannot add like this. Here the rational part is 1, here the rational part is 1. Okay, and their irrational part is not same, so we cannot add them. Likewise, you take here root 7 minus root 5. So we cannot write root 7 minus root 5 is equal to root 2. It is wrong. These cannot be added as their irrational parts are not same. Now take here two irrational number root 5 and root 5. So they are like irrational. They can be added, but root 5 plus root 5 will not be root 10. If you write root 2, then again it is wrong. Okay, so how we can add them? For adding, you see here root 5 plus root 5. So again we take out the root 5 common, the irrational part common, and from here rational number 1 is left, and from here rational number 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 root 5. So this is the way to add and subtract the irrational number. As you know that x plus x is equal to 2x. Likewise root 5 plus root 5 will become twice of root 5. So here we have, they can, as x plus x is equal to 2x, similarly root 5 plus root 5 is equal to twice of root 5. Now for multiplication, you see here root 5 plus root 5. These are irrational number, like irrational number, at the same time their order is same. So for multiplication, it is not necessary that they should be like irrational. What is necessary is that the order of the irrational number should be same. When we say order, it means here you see this is square root, this is also square root. So we can multiply square root with square root. We cannot multiply square root with cube root. Okay, so here you see this is 5 into 5, 25, and then root. So root 25 is equal to 5. Then root 3 into root 3 will become 3. Then you take another number 7 upon root 7. So 7 means we can write root 7 into root 7. As I explained here, root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. So in place of 5 you can write root 5 into root 5. So likewise in place of 7 you can write root 7 into root 7. So one root 7 is cut with another root 7 and root 7 is remaining. Then you take another example 5 upon root 5. Again here 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. So one of the root 5 of numerator is cut with root 5 of denominator. So only root 5 is remaining. Then next here you see here root 48. So to simplify it, first we do the prime factorization. So how the prime factorization is done? Here you see 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, then 2 6 ja 2 3 ja. After that we write this factors under the root here. Okay, so we got 1 2 3 4 2 and 1 3. Then we make pair of like factors. So here from these two 1 2 will come out, and from these two 1 2 will come out. It is like root 2 into root 2. So you know that root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. Again here root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. But 3 is alone. It is not having a pair. So it will be written as it is within the root. So finally we get, that is 2 2 ja 4 root 3. So value of root 48 is equal to 4 into root 3.